Join me today and paint with me. Y'all, I'm going to show you how I made this gorgeous green mandala on a 4.5-inch art stone. The very first thing I did was give it 2 coats of black base paint and I let it dry. Once it was good and dry, I knocked off that center marker and I gave it a good set of guidelines with my 4.5-inch DIY download. This is just a digital download. I'll leave all the links down below, how you get to this point, how you download it, and I'll put some videos on exactly how to use it. That way, we can just get started painting. Today, I'm going to be using Arteza's heavy-bodied pearl paints. Now, I'm going to mix every one of these the same. I'll use about 50% of the paint and 50% of this pouring medium. I'll leave all the links for the supplies I use down in the description. Doing this about 50-50 makes a really, really good consistency, and when it dries, it has just a little bit of raise to it. It doesn't dry completely flat, so it's really beautiful looking. I'll be using the first download in my mandala elements. I'm going to use this shape here to get a really good start to this rock. I'm just coating the back of this shape with a little chalk. I'm placing it on my guidelines where I want, and then I'm going to go over it with my 2mm stylus. I'll go ahead and leave a link for this download down in the description. You guys, I know I'm obsessed with these right now, but it is just so much fun. It's like I put these on my stone or my canvas, and then it gives me something to work around. And I don't know, everyone turns out different, and it is just so much fun. It's like a creativity project mixed with maybe a little bit of an adult coloring project. I don't know. I just love it so much. I hope you guys do too. Now this one turned out really chalky, so I'm going to get out my watercolor pencil and just go over the lines because I know I'm going to be touching them as I paint them, and I don't want it smearing all over the place. So I'm just going over it with a color pencil, and then I'll wipe that chalk off just a little bit and we'll get to painting. All right, now I've got out my fine line brush and I've got out that beautiful bronze paint. Isn't that a pretty color? All I'm gonna do is go over all of these lines. You guys, this is gonna be so beautiful. Didn't that make a really pretty design when you put all 4 of those together? I can't wait to see where this one goes. I truly hope you're following along. If you are, please send me a copy of your art. I am dying to see what you guys are doing with these. A lot of you have been sending them to me, and oh my gosh, I hope you guys are seeing this all over on the community page. It is so much fun to watch you guys create. It's beautiful, and thank you so much for sharing with me. Now, I'll be quiet and let's see where this project goes. Okay, y'all, it was right about here where my symmetry started to become really off. I don't know if you guys experience this, but for me, it's like I start off every project thinking, okay, this is going to be my best mandala ever. It's going to be so symmetrical and so precise and so beautiful. I won't, I'll just have to rush to YouTube to share it with everybody. Well, I'm truly not kidding when I say I start off every project that way, and I don't think ever have I finished one that way, and this one's no exception. But what happens is, it's like times like this, it's like my symmetry begins to get off, like I'm walking the dots and I notice there's 6 here and then there's like 7 there, and it's like, oh boy. Well, me being the way that I am, I just roll with the punches. Y'all, I kind of give up just a little bit on all the perfectionism and all of the preciseness and all of the symmetry, all of that. And it's like, you know what? All of the, what would you call it? Pressure of being perfect drifts away. And you know what I think might just happen in a moment like this? I think your true colors might come out just a little bit. You move a little faster. You might get a little sloppier, but you're a little more freer. Was it like a couple of weeks ago, I made a rock for a YouTube video for one of these tutorials, and it turned out quite pretty. I loved it, but making the video, it was like, I had to keep touching things up. My symmetry was so off, you guys. It really was. And I made the decision that I wouldn't run with it. And I went ahead and put it on my eBay page to sell it. It was a little bit of a discounted price because I didn't have confidence in it. And it sold moments after I listed it. And then when I posted about selling it, there was so much interest in that rock. You guys, all I'm trying to say is just don't quit. Don't give up. It's so funny how we doubt ourselves. I'm so sad that I still do that. You know, there's so many of you guys that compliment my work and you're like, oh, JaDeL, it looks so great. And yet here I am thinking, I know my dots aren't perfect. It's horrible. It's wrong, you know, and I'm just such a bad critic to myself. Well, today would be one of those days. This would be a project that I would, about this point, cool. I'd probably quit recording and saying it's just not good enough. Yep, it'll be pretty. I'll sell it. I'll give it away. I'll leave it as a kindness rock. But it's just not good enough to put on YouTube. Well, I am going to do what you guys said. I am going to let all of my weirdness out. This is me. This is how I work. And I'm going to let it roll. So, y'all, cross your fingers for me. I am so nervous to let y'all see what's about to happen here. Just know all the symmetry is gone. This is just going to be fun at this point. Have a little fun. Why not? All right, now I'll hush and get back to it. Okay, you guys, for better or worse, there it is. I am gonna let this completely dry, and then I will take my cotton swabs, get them a little bit wet, and I'll wipe off all of the chalk and all of the watercolor pencil. And then I'm gonna give this a good coat of resin, and I will come back with a final reveal. For now, I'm just giving you this quick little Sublime recap, but everything's down in the description. I've got affiliate links down there and all sorts of goodies, so check that out. For now, okay, here we go. Let me show you how it turned out. All right, guys. Well, I have to admit, I am in love with the colors. I love the part with my elements on it. I love everything about it. I love my messy, totally not symmetrical edges. My mom made me feel so good about this one. When I showed her, she was just in love with it, but green is her favorite color, so she's a little biased. Anyway, y'all, I hope you give these mandala elements a try. You guys are helping me out so much downloading these. I hope you share your art with me. I want to share your art with everybody. So you guys go get those downloads. I have 4 of them available, and I have number 5 that I'm about to upload soon. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, and watch all of these videos. Until next time, don't doubt yourself and rock on.